that doTERRA makes essential oil blends that were made just for children. They are diluted perfectly for the use of kiddos. Now, I love that we are teaching our children to be empowered with their own health and teaching them natural solutions at a young age, which is a life skill they will use forever. I love that they're learning to be their own advocate and speak up for themselves about what their body is feeling or what their emotions are feeling. So whether they're feeling sad or whether they're feeling pain or they need focus or they need help calming down or they feel angry, there is an oil that is going to help them. They are color coded so they can match how they're feeling. So say they're having some growing pains, they can grab their rescuer oil and they can put it on their knee or on their leg or whatever it is that's bothering them. Or say they are having some tummy trouble, they can get their tamer and put it across their tummy. So you are teaching them how to take care of their own health safely and effectively for pennies a drop. And this is a skill that they're probably not going to learn other places. So moms and dads, definitely check out these kids oils. You are going to be so glad that you have them in your resource box.